Hello BIM learners, welcome to bimmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, it is asked by a user where he asked for how and when to use the room separator option. It's very simple option for a beginner. So it will be getting confused that when to use the room separator or space separator also. So when you have a room, whole room and like these hall, but the kitchen also available in the same hall. It's an open kitchen, but we want to segregate the each room and we want to show them as a different entity and how much area for each space. There is no boundary for each room as a physical wall. There is no wall, but we want to show them the area differentiation, how much it is there. When you have that situation, you have to have the room separator to split them. It won't be printable. It will not appear in the sheet for the printing purpose. So we can plan it. Using this option, we will be able to plan the rooms. Only that option is possible. So you can see that on the right side. When you do that, you'll be able to see the change in the area on the hall, and this is the reason I kept the schedule on the right side. When you have a blank space, you'll be able to create your own room on the other side like this, and you can rename this as kitchen, and you'll have a new room with the 146 as the space. So you can move the separator, automatically the space will get more area will be splitted, and you'll be able to have the enough space that you needed for the kitchen. So this also works with dining or any room that you wanted to have, and you will be able to differentiate that particularly using the room separator. This also works with space separator, which is for MEP purpose. Do let me know if you have any other questions related to the Revit. I will answer you that different tutorial, and do let me know if you need any BIM services. We will be able to provide that using our company BIM Modeler consulting services. And don't forget to share it with your learning friends. Sharing is caring. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.